Hello students. Now today we are discussing the tricks to remember elements of the periodic table. We know that when you write very important things in the chemistry is that to write the chemical reactions. To write the chemical reaction is a very important part, and to write the chemical reaction we must know the knowledge of the chemical formula of element. If we know the chemical formula of the elements, then it is possible to write the chemical reaction. And in order to write the chemical formula of the element and its location of the element, its atomic number in the element, we must know the position of the element in the periodic table. So where the element is situated, the element is a metal or non-metal, again what type of the property the elements are belong, and what is the chemical formula of that elements, and how we, and if you know all these things, then it is possible to write the chemical reaction. So the basic things to write the perfect chemical reaction is we have the knowledge of the periodic table. So today I give the trick to remember elements of the periodic table. How we can remember the elements of the periodic table? Now in today's lecture we are discussing the tricks to write the element of S block and the P block elements. Now let us come toward the periodic table. So when you consider the periodic table, in the periodic table we know that there are the total 18 groups. There are the total 18 groups in the periodic table. So these are the 18 groups in the periodic table, and there are the 7 periods in the periodic table. So when I consider the 18 groups in the periodic table, we know that group number 1 and 2 is considered as a S block element, because in all these elements the last electron is entering S subcell, so they are called as S block elements. Now when you consider the P block element, so S block element, when you consider the S block element include group 1 and 2. S block element include group 1 and 2. When I consider the P block element, the P block element is started from group 13, to group 18. Actually it is group 17, but group 18 is also included in the P block element, so it is from group 13 to 18. So P block element included group 13 to 18. 18 is the zero block element, we called it also. Okay. So S block element, it is called as a P block element because the last electron is entering the P subcell, so they are called as a P block element. In between S block and the P block element, the D block elements are there, and these D block elements are from group 3 to 12. So these are the D block element from group 3 to 12. So these are the. And we also know that the lanthanide and actinide series, they are present at the bottom of the periodic table. They have been given separate location at the bottom of the periodic table. Okay. So like this way, S block element, P block element, D block element, and this lanthanide and actinide series, which included about 14 elements, they are placed at the bottom of the periodic table, and where the last electron is entering F block, so they are called as a F block elements. Okay, so the last electron is entering F subcell, so they are called as F block elements. Here the last electron is entering D subcell, so they are called as a D block elements. So we will discuss later on the D and F block element. Today now we are discussing the S block, how to remember, trick to remember the elements of the periodic table for S and P block elements. Okay, so let us start the S and P block elements. So when I consider the S block elements are such as, I write here. So now we consider the trick. So I write the S block elements. So look at, so how you remember the S block elements? So S block contain the two groups. Group 1. Group 1 contain the elements such as hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. So how you remember the S block elements? So remember, so if you remember the one word, it is possible to remember the S block elements. Helena, H-L-I, na, Helena, K, potassium, rub, Rb, से CS, फिरियाद. Helena की रब से फिरियाद. If you remember this word, it is possible to remember hydrogen for her, lithium for Li, Na for sodium, Ki for K, Rub for Rb, same is CS, and for Faria, Fr, francium. So like this way, you can remember Helena ki Rub se Faria. It's possible to remember the group first. Now, group second. The group second contains the elements so if you remember a simple sentence, that is beta mange kala shirt baap raji. Beta B mange Mg magnesium, kala calcium Ca, shirt Sr strontium, then barium and radium baap raji. If you remember this word beta mange kala shirt baap raji, then it is possible to remember beryllium for beta, magnesium manga, calcium kala, shirt Sr strontium, barium and radium ba raji. So Helena की रब से पुकार, बेटा मांगे काला शर्ट बा राजी. If you remember like this way, it is possible to remember the S block elements. Okay. Now let us go towards the P block elements. So now I write here P block elements. So when I consider the P block elements contain group 30. So now group 30. I write group 13 first. So let us consider one by one. So group 13. Group 13 contain boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and the thallium. So how you remember? So bengan, B for bengan, alu, gajar, in thera. If you remember a simple word, bengan, alu, gajar, in thera, it is possible to remember boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Bengan, alu, gajar, in thera. Okay. Next. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. So for this we can remember Ca. I say here Ca for carbon, C, Ca, Si, silicon, Gai, galenium, Sant, Sn, Prabhu. If you remember the word काशी गए संत प्रभु, carbon for Kashi, SI गए संत प्रभु carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Okay, next group 15 elements. So how you remember group 15 elements? Group 15 elements have nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and the bismuth. So ना पी ऐसे सबके बीच. If you remember the simple sentence, it's possible to remember the group 15 elements. Na for the nitrogen, P for the phosphorus, Na P ऐसे, arsenic for say ऐसे, सबके बीच SB and BI bismuth. So that is it. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and the bismuth. Na P ऐसे सबके बीच. If you remember this word, it's possible to remember the group 15 elements. Then group 16 element: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. So you remember O सावधानी से T O. If you remember a simple word O, oxygen, सावधानी S, से TPO. TPO means if you have write something, you have copy something or you have write something, then this is called a TPO, Punjabi word. So O सावधानी से TPO. So oxygen for O, सावधानी sulfur, selenium से, tellurium T and polonium Po. So O सावधानी से TPO. If you want this, remember this word, it's possible to write the group 16 elements. Now group 17 element: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and acetylene. So for which remember a simple sentence: फिर कल बाहर आएगी आरती. If you use this simple word, fluorine फिर, Cl कल, बाहर Br, iodine आएगी, At आरती, the name of the word, the girls. Okay, so फिर कल बाहर आएगी आरती. फिर कल बाहर आएगी आरती. If you remember this word, it's possible to remember the group 17 element: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and acetylene. The next is the group 18 elements. It's very easy to remember the group 18 elements. Group 18 elements has a helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So if you remember the word helium, Hina, neon, Neha, और करीना, KR, XCI से एक्सरे, RNI से रंगीन. So I have to remember a simple word: हिना, नेहा और करीना का एक्सरे रंगीन. हिना, नेहा और करीना का एक्सरे रंगीन. If you remember this simple word, it's possible to remember the group 18 elements. Look at बैंगन, आलू, गाजर इन थैला for group 13. काशी गए संत प्रभु for group 14. ना पी ऐसे सबके बीच group 15. ओ सावधानी से टीपो group 16. फिर कल बाहर आएगी आरती for group 17. यानी हीना, नेहा और करीना एक्सरे रंगीन. If you remember this word, it's possible to remember group 13 to 18. I already said for the group 1 and 2, group 1, हलीना की रब से फुकार. हलीना की रब से फुकार. Okay. And next is a बेटा मांगे काला शर्ट बाप राजी. बेटा मांगे काला शर्ट बाप राजी. So like this way, by the simple, remembering the simple this mnemonic word, it's possible to remember the group first and second from S block and group 13 to 18 of the P block element. Okay, thank you. In the next section, we are discussing the element of the D and F block elements.